Laura by Laura Biagiotti. Laura by Laura Biagiotti is so refreshing, a quiet fruity floral that you will love in the spring and summer days. When I first heard about this perfume, I was a little bit skeptic because I thought that will be a strong, classy fragrance and overpowering, but I'm glad that I took the courage to smell it. I find Laura to smell a little bit like shampoo, a bubble bath. It is lovely, a watery floral scent that reminds me of getting out of the shower smelling so fresh. This is a clean scent, good for many different occasions, but not outstanding, not recognizable. It will just make you smell a little bit better, and that's all. I don't know why, but mostly in this perfume I can pick the peach and the violet right from the beginning, but the rest of the notes are so well blended that you can barely detect a particular one. Laura is clean, gentle, fresh, and surprisingly modern. The lasting power is good, 4 hours on my skin. Thank you so much. See you in my next review. Bye.